if you're experiencing issues with Valorant updates getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem and get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Restart your computer. Sometimes a simple start can resolve temporary glitches. Close Valorant and any other applications, then restart your computer to refresh the system. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to load other websites to confirm connectivity. Step 3. Run Valorant as administrator. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select Run as administrator. This can help bypass any permission issues that might be causing the update to stall. Step 4. Clear the cache. Navigate to the right Games folder on your computer and delete any temporary files or cache related to Valorant. This can help clear any corrupted files that might be hindering the update process. Step 5. Reinstall Valorant. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Valorant. This can resolve debug issues with the game files and ensure you have the latest version installed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issues and enjoy playing Valorant again. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.